Hi everyone, I'm Valerie and these are 3 markers, and today we are going to help you understand what customer journey map is and why it is important in your business. So we are going to actually define what customer journey map is, what parts it consists of, and how you can implement it in your daily business tasks. Well, any marketing communication, whether it is CRM communication or just communication you have in ads or communication that you have on the landing pages. So all this type of communication is actually leading your business towards one single goal, which is making profit and delivering value of your product to the customer. And all these communications should be actually forming a very smooth way from the idea of getting your product to finally purchasing it, and actually some more steps after it. So whenever you're going to talk to your customers with the marketing channels, you're going to take your customer journey map, understand what steps you are going to talk to, what type of customers you're going to talk to, and this will help you to create a perfect marketing message. Let me give you an example. So as I told you, the customer journey map starts from the idea of getting your product. Let us imagine that this idea is to clean up the room. Right, so cleaning the space. I'm going to draw the customer journey map of, let's say, vacuum cleaner consumer. Yeah, so their initial idea is to clean the space where they live, probably work. So then they start thinking about what types of vacuum cleaners are actually on the market. So what they do, they check the market. Yeah, like what types of vacuum cleaners are available. VC for vacuum cleaner. So after getting through all the types of vacuum cleaners, they actually start to think about the best type of it. And that is the question that they have on their mind. Which one is the best for me, for my purposes, for my room, for my apartment, for my house? And the next step is, obviously, they have made their choice. So they know that they're going to get vacuum cleaner 2021 W08. That is the type they're going to search for. They have the decision. Next, they're going to check the prices. What it means is that they're going to check the prices at different shops. So they're going to check Amazon prices, Walmart prices, any type of prices to choose the best one. And finally, ta-da! The vacuum cleaner is in the house. Yay, congratulations, one more vacuum cleaner consumer has just been born. So that is the customer journey map of a person who wants to get a vacuum cleaner. Well, as you see, there are 7 steps, but actually there may be even more. For example, between the cleaning and the market check, they're going to speak to the people they live with, talking to the spouses or talking to children. So whoever is sharing the space with them, they're going to discuss it. And that is also another point in the customer journey. Well, when it comes to choosing the pricing and also getting the vacuum cleaner, they're also going to see the perfect shipping conditions or the guarantee, so whatever might be there. So that's kind of general, and you can use this structure as a very generic one. Well, and indeed your product is going to have even more steps. So again, whenever you're going to do any type of marketing communication, you're going to check this customer journey map and understand which of the steps you are addressing. Are you addressing the customer who is searching for the types of vacuum cleaners? So probably you're going to write a blog article about the types of vacuum cleaners, the difference and so on. Or whether you're actually addressing the people who are searching for the best price for the VC 2021 W08. So, and probably here you're going to add some communication via email marketing, and you're going to share some coupons for those who have made their choice, and so on. Well, basically, again, the idea is to address people at a certain step of the customer journey map. In the next video, I'm going to use a red marker and tell you more about the customer journey map, actually the ways you can build it for your company. Stay tuned!